Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download pictures in Microsoft Outlook email messages. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox. Once everything has loaded and you can see your email dashboard, you're ready to move forward with downloading pictures from your messages. Now direct your attention to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. From here, you'll need to look for the specific email that contains the pictures you want to download. Take a moment to scroll through your inbox and locate that email. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to select and open it. This will display the full email content in the main reading pane. Here's something important to understand. If you're seeing blocked images from the email you received, Outlook has actually prevented those pictures from downloading automatically. This is a built-in security feature designed to protect your privacy and prevent potentially harmful content from loading without your permission. When pictures are blocked, you'll notice a notification message displayed right under the sender's details at the top of the email. This notification appears as a blue highlighted line that alerts you to the blocked content. Go ahead and click on this blue highlighted notification line. When you do, a small context window will appear with options for handling the blocked pictures. This gives you control over what gets downloaded and displayed in your email. From this context window, you can choose to download the pictures by clicking on the Download Pictures option. Once you click it, Outlook will immediately load all the images that were previously blocked, and you'll be able to view them directly within your email message. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and displayed pictures in your Microsoft Outlook email messages, giving you full access to all the visual content in your emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.